Hey everybody! Today's lesson is about organizing the color wheel. So here is the color wheel that I have painted, and you can do something similar to this in your sketchbook or on another piece of paper. One of the things that I want you to notice and realize when you're organizing your color wheel is that you have three primary colors. Your three primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. We call these our primary colors because with these three colors, we can mix lots of other colors. When you mix red and yellow together, you get orange. When you mix yellow and blue together, you get green. When you mix blue and red together, you get purple. Now you can create other colors by mixing them with white and black. When you mix colors with white, you get lighter colors that are called tints. When you mix colors with black, you get darker colors that are called shades. I've created this template for you that you can either print or draw into your sketchbook. Check out the song that I've linked to this lesson called The Color Song by Scratch Garden. It's a really fun song, and it'll help you to identify the answers for primary colors, what the colors are created when you mix the primary colors, also cool colors and warm colors. And then you can do your painting. Okay, I've created a demonstration for you on how to organize your color wheel. So watch that and then you can get started with your painting. After you've gathered all of your materials, pour out just a bit of paint onto your palette. Then mix your primary colors to create your secondary colors. Next, organize your color wheel and plan out where you're going to paint your colors. Your secondary colors should be in between the two primary colors that create them. Next, plan out your tints. Tints are any color plus white. So mix a little bit of your color plus some white and then paint it outside on the next row. Next, plan your shades. Shades are any color plus black. So mix a little bit of black, just a little bit. The black is very strong. And then paint your next row of colors and see what shades you can create. Okay, everybody. Now that you've finished your painting, it's time for you to tidy up. Remember to clean all of your materials and tools and put them away neatly so that you'll have them ready for next time you're ready to paint. All right, ciao ciao for now. Bye!